This is the Concept TXZ from 13 Fishing. It's all new this year. What we've done is we've taken a steadfast technology in our lineup, a reel that's been proven very well in the Concept TX, in the bearings, the CZB bearings, utilize them to combine the ultimate saltwater performance reel. The new CZB comp bearings, what we've done is we've taken and we've reduced the friction coefficient by reducing 20% of the surface area, allowing bomb cast as far as you can spool the reel. Weighs very little, utilizing the BFG grips for added fish fighting power. Check it out at TackleDirect shortly.